to the neighborhood. It's me, Ninay, and
I'm Jana.
and we are here to help you out make a daily routine. So if that's something that you want to, that you're interested in, please keep on watching. Okay, we are here with Jana, and again, she will be assisting us.
Yes.
Siya yung mag-fill ng mga bagay na yun, Diyos ko, na nakakalimutan ko. And yun nga, so, ang importante when making your own daily routine is that dapat yung natural siya sa'yo. Diba? Parang something na ginagawa mo in your daily life. Ganon. Or something na gusto mong i-practice or gusto mong parang ipagpatuloy. Halimbawa, gusto mong mag-exercise pero hindi mo para siya naisisingit. Maybe pagka gumawa ka ng daily routine mo, pwedeng kahit ano lang muna, mga 7 minutes. Ganoon, hindi naman kailangan full on o isang oras na agad. So yun, pagka onti lang yung time mo, then make do with what you have. Yun. So yun yung importance niya. So do what comes naturally to you when making your own daily routine.
Yun. So, this is what I do most mornings. Maglalakad ako to buy coffee. So, this is what I call my coffee run. Yan. At the end of this road, liliko tayo to the right. And then, meron dong mini stop. So, ayun. And, mamaya I'll show you kung ano yung binibili ko. It's nothing fancy.
So another tip is, pag gumagawa ka ng iyong daily routine, imagine mo yung ideal day mo. Ano ba yung meron dun? Parang when you wake up, ano yung unang-unang gusto mong gawin, yung pagkakasunod-sunod ba. So, yun. Imagine what your ideal day would be like. And ayun, so yung importance ng daily routine. Ako kasi, na-practice ko na siya and it worked for me. So may naging buting dulot naman sa akin yung paggawa ko ng daily routine. Kaya ngayon parang binabalik ko siya ulit. So I'm gonna make pasilip to you guys, neighbors, yung aking daily routine according to what I usually do sa ngayon. Pwede nyo siyang i-change. Halimbawa, for this day, parang may gusto kang isingit na bagay, pwede mo rin gawin yun. So, ito yung sa akin.
Tsaka gumawa kayo ng sarili nyo. Kasi, kunyari gagayahin nyo yung routine ng iba. Hindi naman, parang ayaw nyo naman siyang gawin. E di, wala rin.
Hindi siya parang pasok sa banga nyo. So, yun. Make your own routine. Make it unique, special to you. Yun. So, sa akin, yun na, napasilip ko na sa inyo. So, meron dun pray in the morning, meditate, gano'n. So, usually, yung mga yun kasi, parang nakakagaan siya sa ng mood. So, kaya nakalagay siya dito. That's part of my daily routine. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. It's Nayhbors. And Jana, thank you again for helping us out.
Comment nyo rin yung mga requests nyo kay Ate Nina. Wag lang yung mahirap.
ganon. Hindi ako ganon ka thrill seeker. So, ayun, thank you so much again. Please join the neighborhood. Hit the subscribe button to, ayun.
Para madami tayong kapitbahay, di ba?
Ay, nako. Ayun, so, anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much again. See you on our next video.